Hello everyone, this is 24K on Instagram, and today we're looking at the HyperJuice 100W GaN charger. They call this their first in the world 100W GaN charger. It is small, lightweight, and it's so small that it's about the size of a credit card. It can easily fit in your pocket, purse, or your to-go bag with all of your tech gadgets. Now here's what you'll find inside the box. Here is the incredibly small 100W GaN charger. This is great because it has the flip out. It has the very handy flip out wall charger. And here we have 4 connections. 2 on the top, USB-Cs, and 2 on the bottom, 2 USB-A connections. On the top, this is where you'd put your 2 MacBook Pros, and they can charge at a full 100 watts. If you'd like to charge more than your laptops, you can go ahead and add your smartphones and your iPad on the second 2 items. Further in the box, we have travel adapters. So if you're going internationally from the US, you can definitely use one of these items so that you're always charged and full. These easily click on to the back of the device right here. You plug it into the wall, and then you can go ahead and get charged up. You may ask yourself, now, why do I need a gallium nitride battery? Well, the reason is it is much lighter. It's about 2.5 times faster than your 61-watt Apple charger. In addition to, it is very cool, and the technology is there to take you to the next level. This is a quick view of the HyperJuice 100W GaN charger with plenty of connectors for travel. This is 24K and 24K Media on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us positive thumbs up. Thank you.